Have you ever put yourself in the shoes of important figures in human culture and society, pondered life's deeper questions, or wondered how our natural landscapes came to be? TAL Humanities is just the right fit for you! If you have a passion for literature, economics, philosophy, history, or geography, TAL pushes you to pursue your dreams. Interested students have the opportunity to become well-rounded thinkers, speakers, and writers by going beyond the classroom and into challenging, thought-provoking fields of inquiry and discussion. This is achieved through three main programs. In year 3, we are introduced to a breadth of humanities disciplines such as economics and political science. Furthermore, we are taught to think critically through the philosophy module. After writing a research paper, our work is shared at the annual Philogem Symposium with Raffles Institution and Young and Girls. My group looked into the frameworks used to justify religious belief, while another focused on epistemology, the art of questioning how we know anything for sure at all. What we do know though is that we could conduct research on anything that interested us. During year 4, students delve into subjects which pique their interest. The prestigious Moot Parliament program introduces participants to civil foreign governance and culminates in a debate at the Parliament House. Meanwhile, HSSRP allows students to craft a research paper under the guidance of experienced professors. The TJC capstone program allows students, mentored by our own TJC tutors, to conduct independent research and present it to their peers. Examples of this year's topics for the theme of myths and legends are geomythology, as well as mythology and state making. In fairer times, Year 4 TALCO students could also plan and participate in an overseas trip. Students have visited destinations such as Taiwan and Shaanxi. Both times, students were able to plan an entire day's worth of activities by themselves. If you're a future-minded student or parent, you'll be glad to know that TALCO gives many opportunities which will boost your portfolio. In fact, TJ students can apply for the Temasek Humanities program and the MOE Humanities Scholarship in JC. In TALCO, you put the human into humanities. Hope to see you next year!